Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a happy birthday card. For this I have taken white A4 paper which I have folded into half. Then using a circular bowl or lid, draw a semicircle. Then draw a design as shown. And then we can color it. Next I am making some balloons here. I am going to color this as well. Then make some small dots all around the card. Now cut along the outline of the semicircle. And we can write a message inside the card. And finally our happy birthday card is now ready. You can see how simple and easy it was to make this. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.